Shalom, shalom, shalom. Shalom, shalom, shalom. All things work together for good to them that love Elohim. No weapon formed against us will prosper. Surely they will gather, but not by me. Anyone that gathers against thee shall fall for thy sake. Associate yourself, O you people, ye shall be broken into pieces. Speak the word, it shall not stand, it shall not come to pass. Take counsel, it shall not stand, it shall not come to pass. Who says a thing and it stands except Adonai says it? The gathering of the sons of the bondwoman will be scattered and broken to pieces. Their plans to overthrow and overrun us shall never stand, for Elohim is with us.